This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows 10 build 1809 or newer is installed and GPU drivers are up to date. Once done, check your monitor or TV supports HDR and is set to its HDR or wide color mode. This often requires a monitor OSD change. Connect the display with a DisplayPort 1, 4 or HDMI 2, 0 plus cable and select the correct input. Next, sign into Windows and open Display Settings so you can flip the HDR controls. Do this now to continue. You now enable HDR. Open Settings, go to System then Display, and select the HDR-capable monitor. Once selected, toggle on Play HDR games and apps. This allows apps to request HDR output. Make sure Use HDR is active for that display, and then adjust the brightness for SDR content slider to balance mixed content. This prevents washed-out SDR windows. Also choose an appropriate color profile or HDR calibration if available. After making these changes, test an HDR video or game to check. To finish, run an HDR video or an HDR-enabled game so you can verify brightness, highlights, and color reproduction. If colors look off, use Windows HDR video calibration or your GPU control panel to fine-tune color gamut and tone mapping. This improves detail in bright and dark areas. If you encounter problems, no HDR toggle, banding, or washed blacks, make sure drivers and firmware are current. Try a different high-speed cable and disable dynamic contrast or post-processing on the display, because those often interfere with true HDR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.